Hello everyone. In this video, we'll explore how to calculate a cumulative sum to effectively track your spending. A cumulative sum, also known as a running total, continuously adds up values in a list, giving you a running total at each step. This allows you to see how your data accumulates over time. In our worksheet, column B contains daily spending amounts, while column C shows the cumulative totals, allowing us to see the running total at a glance. To see how running total works, let's enter your first cumulative sum in cell C2, which is simply the value from the first day's spending. Next, in cell C3, add the previous cumulative sum, calculated in C2, to the current day's spending. Now, apply the formula, drag it down for the rest of your data. As you drag the formula down, Excel will automatically adjust the cell references, giving you a running total for each day. This is how the cumulative or running total works. When you drag the formula down, it repeats the previous sum in rows where the spending cells are blank. To avoid this, you can use an if function to hide the cumulative sum in rows without data. Let's edit the formula in cell C3 and copy it down the column. With the updated formula, the sum will only display when spending is entered. Give it a try. Once you enter a spending amount, the cumulative sum will appear right next to it. Notice that if you miss or delete a value in column B, say, you enter a value in B13, leave B14 blank, and then enter a value in B15, the cumulative sum won't calculate correctly. To ensure accurate results, make sure there are no gaps in your list. However, if you need to allow for blank cells, you can adjust the formula slightly. In cell C2, enter the formula as shown on screen. This formula calculates the cumulative sum even when there are gaps in the list. The updated formula uses a mixed reference, where the first cell in the range, row 2, remains fixed, while the second cell adjusts as the formula is copied down the column. This ensures the sum always starts from row 2 and continues to the current row. So, that's how you create a cumulative sum in Excel. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.